Hey, our dear viewers, for today, this is our second episode under the simple linear regression model. Thank you so much for tuning in to APES, Applied Math, Statistics, and Econometrics. Yes, thank you people. We celebrate the achievement you guys have gained from our last episode, the tricks you have gained that have gave you the motivation to listen to this video again. By the way, at APES we understand that economics is the driver of growth. Why? Because it deals with money. But the funny part of it, mathematical economics, econometrics, and statistics have become challenges in our lives. That's the reason we are making this video, to make the work more better. Now, ever since the last episode, we have received a lot of questions from different people. Now, I want to start with the Heisenis concerned from Belgium. You were asking the methodology of econometrics. Now I'm today starting with your concern. Before that, let me assure you that I'm free to answer any problem regarding economics, macro, micro, mathematical, and any other related statistical problem. Economics is concerned with measurements of economic variables. That's why quantity demanded of a commodity depends on the price and consumer income. The left-hand side is the quantity demanded, is the dependent variable. And then on the right-hand side, it's the explanatory variable. Quantity demanded depends on a number of variables. So econometrics sounds with the measurement of econometric variable. Now, how do we measure this? Suppose if the company manager wants to raise the price of its commodity, for example, then the increase in the price comes with a fall in quantity demanded. Now we want to forecast the future values. That's why we need to study the econometric methodology. There are several schools of thought. However, we are going to concern on the traditional methodology that has dominated the econometric research. Let us consider the 8 statements that you are seeing in that chart. The one is the statement of theory or hypothesis. The second one is the specification of the mathematical model of the theory. The third one is the specification of the econometric model. The fourth one is obtaining the data. The fifth one is the estimation of parameter estimate. The sixth is the hypothesis testing. The seventh is the forecasting or prediction. And the eighth is using the model for economic purposes. Let us have an explanation. The first one was the statement of theory, or the statement of economic theory. We have to test the hypothesis. whether we are going to accept the theory or to reject. Now, the second one is the specification of the mathematical model. Keynes speculated that there is a relationship between consumption and income. For example, y is equal to b0 plus b1 xi, where 0 is less than b1 and less than 1. So that is a statement. We need to test its hypothesis, whether to accept Keynesian theory or not. Y means the dependent variable, the consumption. Xi is the explanatory variable, the independent variable. We can call it the income in this case. B0 is the constant and B1 is the slope. Now in 3 we said it is the econometric model. There are many factors that can affect the mathematical model. That's why we change it to the econometric model. In addition to income, there may be other factors that may affect consumption. Remember, we have said that consumption depends on income, but there may be other factors. For example, the size of the family, the aging population, etc., etc. Now, we are going to change the model to y equals b0 plus b1 xi plus the stochastic term now, the error. Now, we shall get the step 4 will be obtaining the model data or obtaining the econometric model data. Y is equal to b0 plus b1 xi plus ui, where y is known, xi is known, but b0 and b1 are not known. Even we shall need to know the stochastic term. The fifth is to estimate the parameter estimates, where we shall use the statistical technique to obtain the parameter estimates. In step 6, we test the hypothesis. We shall use different criteria, the statistical or econometric criteria. Then, in step 7, we forecast or predict the future changes. And then lastly, we use the model for policy purposes. An estimated model may be useful to the government, company, or any other business entity. It may be your entity, your business, your what? It makes policy purposes. Now, that is the methodology of econometrics. That has been our episode of it today. But lastly, I want to thank you so much for watching my videos. Mathematical economics has challenged many people years and years. But now I can assure you that we are going to be sharing very many ideas on this platform. I can have a one-on-one with you. Feel free to WhatsApp or call me directly. I will guide you either on WhatsApp or on my number. You can tap it. It's +256 758 63 3257. Or you can send me an email on jengoakrameconomist@gmail.com or jengoakrameconomist@yahoo.com. Subscribe, like, share, and comment. Secondly, I share greetings to my friends who do statistics, economics, econometrics, and other mathematical related questions from different universities around the globe. Chambogo University, Makerere University, Cavendish, IU, colleges, and all other students from the different universities in Africa and all other universities around the world. If you have time, you can Google on our next episode that will be the estimation of parameter estimates, the alpha and beta, or the B0 and B1, to have a clue or more insight when we tackle that episode. Thank you for the follow. Bye-bye.